Hey guys, it's T90X Gaming here, back with the dropper. And curtain. Oh, wait. Set spawn. Okay. So we do not have to go through doing the mine again. Cause, you know. Whoo, nice. This is so cool. Giant bathroom. But where's the chest? That's the drain. Yeah. And let's keep going. I was just trying to see if there's a ladder there to get back up. But, yeah. That's all. Set spawn. What's this one? Some holes are... Oh, no. Not this one. Oh, that one's closed. I'm pretty sure it's the top right. Yeah. So... Lag. What is with this lag? Oh, no. Close. Save. Okay. And let's see how that works. Still, we have lag. Wait. What's this? What? X. So, So those three are open. Those are open. So, open. Go to side. Stay there. So, first three are open, and then we go to the side. Right, so, open. What? Open. Wouldn't that be open? Open. Close. Yes! Open. What? Excuse me for 1 second. Yes? Okay. I thought my mom called me. 36 failed. So I guess it's not open. So let's do open. Ooh. Let's try this. Open. Lag. So, open, 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 back, back, back. What is with it? Open, 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 or how's that work? Open, open, so it's open, open, closed, open. So let's try this. So this, this. What didn't go? Let's try this again. Open, open, open. It's this lag. Some holes are closed. I get that. Open, open. Oh my gosh, it's lag. Okay. It's lagging. Now let's try it. Maybe because of the far render distance. Let's try. Escape. Options. Video settings. Maybe that's why. See if there's an improvement. Open, open, open. Never even tried the back ones. Let me try the back ones. That didn't work. Why? So, open, open. So much lag. Can't take it. What is it? Open, open. Okay, I'm gonna have to go into creative mode. Slash caps game mode 1. Oh my gosh. Open, open, open. Whoa! What? Can I skip this somehow? What level is this? 7. I'm gonna try to skip this. I'm sorry guys. It's just a lag. I can't do it. What is this to? Six. The lag. Some holes are closed. Oh my gosh. I guess we can't. Open. 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 Go, go. We got this. You got this. Please. Just please. Well, this will be last go. We'll end the episode. One more time. This will be last go. And we'll end off the episode. Let's use the lever. Open. 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 Okay, well, thank you guys for watching. And have a nice day.